Hello and welcome to Kahani Vachak. The story for today is really interesting. It is an Irish folk tale and the name of the story is The Enchanted Bottle. So let's start the story. Once upon a time, in an Irish village, lived a couple with their kids. However hard they tried, they could not make enough money to feed their cattle and their kids. Slowly, they became poorer and poorer. One after the other, they sold all their cattle. Still, it was getting very difficult to feed their kids. So one day, the wife tells her husband, Mike, why don't you go to the market and sell off the last cow that we have at home? It'll at least help us feed our kids for a few days. Mike agrees and he takes the last cow to sell to the market. While on his way, Mike meets a dwarf. The dwarf stops him and tells him, Hey Mike, where are you going with your cow? Mike is surprised. He says, I don't know you. How do you know my name? The dwarf says, I know a lot of things. So Mike, why are you going to the market? Mike tells him, I'm going to the market to sell off my last cow. The dwarf asks him, would you mind selling your cow to me? Mike says, I don't mind, but what will you give me in return of the cow? The dwarf says, I will give you this. He takes out a bottle from his bag. Mike looks at the bottle and says, are you kidding me? A bottle in lieu of a cow? The dwarf says, Mike, don't draw a conclusion so soon. This is an enchanted bottle. It's magical. It will grant you all that you want. You just need to keep it on your table and say, hey bottle, start your work. Mike agrees and gives the cow to him in lieu of the bottle. When Mike reaches home, his wife is waiting at the door for him. She tells him, you came back quite early. Mike tells her the whole story and says, I sold the cow in lieu of a bottle. The wife is surprised and she starts crying as well. She's very sad and she says, what are you talking, Mike? We don't have food at home and you have sold a cow in lieu of a bottle? Mike says, let's wait and watch. So Mike places the enchanted bottle on the table and says, hey bottle, do your work. Immediately, two fairies come out of the bottle and they lay the table with amazing delicious food that they could ever think of. And the food is served in gold and silver plates. The whole family eats their lunch to the full. And later, Mike sells off the gold and silver plates to the market and gets some money for their house. Slowly, they start becoming rich. Mike buys lots of things for his house. He also buys a horse cart. The neighbors start noticing that Mike is gradually becoming rich. He also has a new house now. So the neighbors are curious, and so is his landlord. So the landlord comes to Mike one day and asks him the reason behind him becoming rich so soon. Mike is reluctant to tell the story, but the landlord is really adamant. And so finally, Mike shows the landlord the enchanted bottle and narrates the whole story to him. The landlord is greedy and he says, give me the bottle. I'll give you loads of money instead of the bottle. Mike does not want the money, he wants the bottle. So he says, no, I don't agree. I will not give you the bottle. So the landlord has another offer for Mike, and he says, I'll give the whole of land that you can think of, and you can keep it forever. This looks like a lucrative deal to Mike, and so he says, okay, if I have all that land, I might not need the bottle anymore. So he gives away the bottle to the landlord. And now Mike has a whole lot of land for himself. But gradually, Mike and his family keep spending a lot of money, and one fine day they are back to their original selves. As in, they are left with just one cow. They become as poor as they were earlier. And then again one day, Mike's wife tells him, Mike, we are left with just one cow and we need to feed our kids. Why don't you go to the market and sell off this last cow so that we can feed our kids? Mike agrees once again and takes the cow with him to the market. While on his way, when he reaches the same spot where he had met a dwarf once, he starts thinking of the dwarf. And suddenly the dwarf appears once again and he tells Mike, hey, I told you you would become rich. Didn't you become rich? Mike told him the whole story and he said, yes, I did. But then I'm poor once again. Would you mind buying the cow again for another enchanted bottle? The dwarf agrees and he takes out another bottle from his bag and gives to Mike and says, here's the another enchanted bottle. You can take it home in lieu of the cow. Now Mike is really happy and he rushes back home, tells the whole story to his wife, and so they quickly get inside, keep the bottle on the table and says, hey bottle, do your work. But what happens? Two strong men come out from the bottle and they beat up the whole family. They beat them so hard that they're crying in pain. And finally the two strong men get back to the bottle. Mike is really surprised and shocked. But then he thinks of an idea. He takes that enchanted bottle to the landlord and tells the landlord, hey landlord, I have another enchanted bottle for you. The landlord starts feeling greedy once again, so he tells him, would you give that bottle to me? Mike says, I'll have to think about it. So the landlord says, come on inside, let's do the magic first. I have a feast going on in my house. Why don't you use that bottle for once to show me how it works? Mike is very happy to do that. So he goes inside where all the guests are having their food, and Mike keeps the bottle on the table and says, hey bottle, do your work. But what happens next? Two strong men come out of the bottle and they start beating up all the guests. They beat them so hard that all the guests are crying in pain. So the landlord tells Mike, hey Mike, what have you done? Please ask these two men to stop. Mike says, I will ask them to stop only when you give me my old bottle. The landlord tells his servants, hey, hurry up, get that bottle, otherwise these men will kill my guests. So the servant goes running and gets the old bottle, enchanted bottle, and gives it back to Mike. Mike is happy getting his original bottle. As soon as he gets the bottle, magic ends and both the men who were beating up all the guests get inside the bottle. So Mike takes both the bottles and comes back home. Since then, Mike never gave the bottle to anybody else and they used the bottle very judiciously. And gradually, Mike has enough money to spend his whole life peacefully and he stops using the bottle. Later, they don't even remember whether the bottles were broken by some servant or whether they were kept in the attic somewhere. They forget about the bottles. So here we come to the end of the Irish folk tale. I hope you enjoyed the story and I hope you have learned some lesson out of it. So, till the time I get another interesting story for you, this is Kahani Vachak Swati saying goodbye. Take care. Please do not forget to subscribe and like my channel. Also, you could leave a comment on the comment box if you want me to narrate any stories of your liking. Thank you.